Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Isuzu key fob. I'm going to be using one of the 1616 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've put a link below in the description. I'm going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver and a small Phillips head. This is about a 2.0, 2.5, something around there. First order of business, there's a Phillips head screw right here. You want to go ahead and remove that. I recommend doing it over a washcloth so you don't lose these tiny little screws. Next, this piece kind of slides up and out. Okay, so there's a little lip right here, and that fits in this. It's kind of tricky, as you can see. Okay, so here is where the actual battery is stored. I'm going to be using a different screwdriver on this one. This takes a 1.5 Phillips, and these screws are even smaller. Okay, pop off that back half. There's your battery. This is where I'm going to take the small flat tip screwdriver, place it right there, pull the old battery out. Okay, new battery goes in under these two tabs first. We can go ahead and flip this over and test it real quick, make sure our new battery's working. We've got a red light there. I'm going to go ahead and put this gasket back in. Put these screws back in. All right, that goes in here. And the last tricky part is you just want to kind of seat that in first and then slide it forward. And then replace your back screw and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.